So we're gonna customize someone else. We're gonna customize. Dun dun dun. Boom boom boom. Okay, that's enough. We are going to customize the Incredible Iron Man. Was it Invincible? Yeah, it's Invincible, I'm pretty sure. This is my Black Panther guy. I'm going to show you how to make him in another YouTube video. Oh yeah, I don't need that. I don't care what his face looks like. I need a helmet. Dr. Fate's helmet. What? No, not chicken. Dr. Fate's. Let's see what... Yeah. This is Iron Man's mask. It doesn't look the best, but it's the closest you can get. At least I can get. You might find a way better one. This would be red. This would be red. We need to find a circle. No, that's Flash. Who's gonna say this is green? Oh, that's actually pretty good. Put up, make that blue. Or should we do classic? Yeah, let's do new. Yellow's classic, blue's new. You must can't get that color. I love like the boots. Like I love like a DC supervillain. No, that's Batman's legs. I love like a DC supervillains. Like when you can, like customize. Like you can make the boots and legs different colors. I don't think you can do that in regular Marvel Superheroes too. You only can do that if what's it called again? Oh yeah. If it comes like that, like only like if there's black boots and red legs, that's the only way you can have boots. What is yellow? Let's make him go through toxic waste. Let's make him have super strength because he has the Iron Man stuff. No, not gymnastics. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, ring that bell, and comment below. Let's take over his claws. Oh yeah. Should I make him invincible? Because Iron did die one time. Yeah, let's make him non-invincible. Because Iron did die before. He is called invincible Iron because he's super strong. But I'm going to make him he can die because he did die in Avengers Endgame. Oh, I didn't make him fly. Sorry. I need to make him fly. How do you make him fly again? Yeah, that's better. Let's get out of here. This is our Iron Man, aka Tony Stark. He can fly, shoot lasers, break stuff. He's good at killing. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, ring that bell, and comment below. Comment below what next Marvel superhero you want me to make in regular DC supervillains. I think Iron Man looks really good. Subscribe. Oh yeah, I just said that. Bye!